Welcome back to another YouTube video. Hopefully we'll be ending the E30 project soon, which is the M50 swap, but we're taking the transmission to Miguel's house because we're doing the seal here and he has the tools to do it. So we're on our way to his house. We have arrived to the Drift Boys headquarters. Got the drift car right there. Oh yeah, I got it. Oh, you got it right there?
Oh, it's fucking smaller than I thought.
Come on, brother.
Hold it, man. It's gonna break again.
And by the way, I accidentally broke that part right there. So right here. And I used what is that thing called? JB Weld. It broke when I was cleaning it. I'll blame it on Miguel. He told me to clean it. I should just left it how it was. So yeah, we need a socket, right? Sorry, man. Sometimes I don't know these names for these tools. What was it?
Too big. Too big. Oh shit, hold on. You didn't even take this off.
We need to take it off?
Yeah.
Alright, let's take it off.
Ooh, yard sale.
Why is this guy so tall? Why are you so tall? Ooh, they don't have it. I need 30, I need 30. Okay. 30.
Oh, it does look pretty thin, but I don't know. We need an impact one though, or else it's gonna break.
Ooh, does look thin. Miguel says that his machine can probably break it, but they're lifetime warranty.
It's not a machine, it's an impact.
It's impact. What the fuck? I don't really care, man. Where's your shirt? I don't care. See?
Impact,
But we're gonna see right now if it fits. If not, we're just gonna return it.
Hey. The impact's still going once more. Now we need to pull it. Do you have a puller?
30 millimeter socket came in handy. And Miguel's gonna use this dentist tool. Oh, came out. And this is the seal right here, the black one. I'm gonna get it out of the car. So I'm just gonna put this out, put this in, and then put everything back. And that's it. And then we're done for this day. We'll continue the rest and we get the parts over the weekend.
Pull this over. Don't record this isn't the proper tool.
It's okay, man.
But it works.
You don't always have to have the proper tools. As long as you show people that you can get it out. That's about it.
Better than I get it in.
Here, let's measure.
Que es igual, chingado.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Aceitito.
Aceitito. I got aceitito here. Oil it up. Remember to lube it before you put it in, always. Especially in a tight hole.
Oof, we didn't clean that.
Come on, man. I'm gonna clean it out. I'll clean it out.
With the garra. Oh, yeah, that's why you wash the transmission first, then you don't have gunk everywhere.
When you told me to wash it, I ended up breaking it.
Oh, you never even washed it the right way. See how I'm not very good at it, so I just overlap it. No, it's perfectly flush all the way around.
Wait, master
I don't
mechanic.
know if it has to go lower.
But remember, when we put that little part, it's gonna squeeze it back into. Now you need the 30.
That's just to get it started.
Now you're good with that.
Not like that, Blippy.
Bleepy. Now we put this back in. 30.
Dirección.
Alright. Hopefully it doesn't come up now. Alright, we're good.
Otro. That sucker's not going anywhere.
Thank you, Miguel. You're the best. You're the best doctor.
Alright, let's wrap this up, Blippy.
Let's wrap it up. This is 17, right?
19.
19? 19 in the back?
Yeah.
Alright guys, this is it. The job is done. Output shaft seal, ready to go. Make sure you guys follow Miguel on Instagram. At Miguel
Follow me for more
underscore
welding tips and tricks.
Miguel underscore nah. Alright, thank you guys for watching. Always make sure you like, comment, and subscribe.